At Coleg Gwent you can increase your chances of employment, boost your earning potential, or even explore a new career path.
There's a huge range of courses, so no matter what you're looking for, you can find it here. From animal care to creative industries, healthcare, engineering and much more.
When you're studying at Coleg Gwent, you'll be in a small, friendly classroom environment with access to one-to-one support.
You will also have access to state-of-the-art facilities and be able to work with award-winning tutors who are experts in their field.
My time studying higher education allowed me to study in a relaxed and friendly environment where I was able to balance my commitments. The highlight for me was attending the university graduation where I received my certificate.
With 5 campuses spread across South East Wales, we've got opportunities to suit you in your local community.
You'll have access to specialist facilities at all sites, including our HE hubs. You'll also be able to access the facilities of our partner universities.
As one of Wales's largest colleges and with a student community of over 16,000 students, we welcome students of all backgrounds and all ages.
Yeah, my biggest concern coming back to college as a mature student was juggling that work-life balance. But in fairness, the tutors at Coleg Gwent have been excellent. They've given me all the support I need.
There's plenty of funding support available at Coleg Gwent, and studying locally has made it more affordable for me.
Yeah, I would completely recommend Coleg Gwent to any person that's looking to do a degree, and if they're not comfortable with a university environment, Coleg Gwent is definitely the place to do it, and the teachers are there to support you through the whole process, no matter how hard.
So, ready to take your next step? Explore your potential with a university course at Coleg Gwent.